In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Outlook Mail to Gmail step by step so you can manage both inboxes in one place without switching between apps all day. This is a super useful setup if you want to keep your emails organized, simplify your workflow, and check your Outlook messages directly from Gmail. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Gmail by visiting mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to receive your Outlook emails. If you're using the wrong account, switch now before continuing because this setup will connect Outlook to whichever Gmail account you're currently using. Now look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail. Click Settings and then choose See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings menu where you can access all the advanced options. From the tabs at the top, click Accounts and Import. This is the section where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts, send mail from different addresses, and import messages into one inbox. Next, scroll down to the section that says Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the area you need for adding Outlook to Gmail. Click Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up asking for the email account you want to add. Type in your full Outlook email address here. Make sure you enter the complete address exactly as it appears, including the correct domain. After that, click Next. On the next screen, Gmail will ask you how you want to connect the account. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. This is the method that allows Gmail to pull in mail from your Outlook inbox. Once you select that option, click Next again. Now you'll need to enter your Outlook mail settings. This part is important, so enter each field carefully. For username, type your full Outlook email address again. For password, enter your Outlook password. If you use two-factor authentication or a work or school Outlook account, you may need an app password or special login approval depending on your account type. For the POP server, type outlook.office365.com. For port, enter 995. Then make sure you check the box that says Always Use a Secure Connection SSL. This helps keep your login and email connection secure while Gmail checks for messages from Outlook. Once everything is filled out, click Add Account. Gmail will now try to connect to your Outlook inbox. If your details are correct, the account will be added successfully and Gmail will begin importing your Outlook emails. After that, Gmail may ask whether you want to also be able to send mail as this account. If that option appears, you can choose what works best for you, depending on whether you only want to receive Outlook mail in Gmail or also send messages from that address. Now just wait a little while for Gmail to start syncing your Outlook messages. Depending on how many emails you have, it may take some time before everything appears in your inbox. Once it's done, you'll be able to view Outlook mail right inside Gmail, which makes checking both accounts much easier. And that's it. You've successfully added Outlook mail to Gmail. Now you can keep all your important messages in one place and save yourself time every day. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.